everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the whale shark in Heartopia. So this unique shark, the whale shark, you can catch it when you already reach fishing hobby level 11, this one. So make sure you reach this level 11 first, and then after you reach this level you can catch this fish. And to catch this fish is very easy. You just need to join the sea fishing event at the fishing village like this. And this whale shark spawns almost all time except the 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. So just avoid this time, and this whale shark will spawn at the sunny or rainbow weather. So just join the sea fishing event at the sea fishing village. This one, you can join this event when it's hosted by the NPC Bill, or you can also start it yourself by paying it with 2,000 gold. And after you join this event, just fishing like usual, and when you notice the fish with the golden spark like this, just fish it, and with that fish you can get the chance to get the whale shark like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.